Janitorial business owners, listen up. We all know that competing for new business is tough, while at the same time, your current customers are getting sweet-talked in emails and phone calls by hungry competition. It's enough to make your head spin. Maybe you've been running around like crazy to keep customers happy. Or you threw money at appointment setting services just to receive poor quality leads that didn't convert into actual customers. Any of this sound familiar? Let's be honest. Most of these appointment setting companies don't have a clue how to run a commercial cleaning business, let alone grow one. Sure, they'll sell you appointments, but they have no idea if they'll be a good fit for your business. At Gatekeepers Group, we specialize in appointment setting for cleaning companies. We know what it takes to grow a cleaning business that doesn't just survive, but thrives. And we're changing the game on appointment setting by also offering cleaning business coaching to help you sustain that growth and enjoy a profitable business with less stress. We connect you with real decision makers, such as commercial property managers, facility directors, and business owners who are looking for new vendors, so you can spend less time chasing and more time closing. You're looking to put out fewer customer service fires? Our coaching services cover a variety of business-related topics, such as sales, ops management, accounting, and more. Stop struggling to find clients and start scaling your business. To get started, take our free online assessment to see if your business qualifies. Unlock opportunity with the Gatekeepers Group today.